You wing it, Red.
All right, we're in the process of pulling traps, and nothing worse than a snowstorm when you're running body grips in the ditch. Because you can see, I walked over here, I thought I knew where it was at, and the trap was 3 feet in front of me, and I dug up all that snow with my rake, and I finally hooked the wire, and all that was where I thought the trap was my stake. Look at this, a badger in a 160. That thing was set close, the trap was set close to the ground. I think we caught a skunk in it the other day before it stormed. But here we got a nice, I mean, it's not a really good furred badger because it's so early, but somebody's gonna like it a lot. I mean, I can sell all of them I catch. But this was just if you look over in the back, there's a cornfield and an old farmstead and a windbreak over there, and this badger was just going down this skunk trail, or I guess game trail, and we caught him because had the trap in the right position. Just one of the surprises that you get when you're running a trap line. A pleasant surprise. There's plenty of the other ones. Hardly anything worse than a snowstorm when you're running ditch traps. Look down the ditch to the west or to the east. You can see the drifts that come in here just in one morning. It snowed at night and it blew in the morning. Got drifts up to mid-thigh height. Some are up to your waist. Puts you out of business quick at this game.
It's a rip-off.
Yeah. Guy needs to know when to quit.
Wiebe Knives, voted one of Field & Stream's best hunting products. Every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 wicked sharp replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 free replacement blades at wiebeknives.com.